Welcome to Timexindo Company. Timexindo Company is a private company engaged in the field of woodworking products. Timexindo Company will launch its newest product, the Post&Beam. The purpose of these products is to add our range of products for the Australian market, as well as to expand it to New Zealand, European countries, France, Germany, Belgium, UK, and also USA. Post&Beam using Merbau wood-based material. This product has been tested lab and through 3 processes lab, ranging from glues, wood quality, and quantity. There are 6 processes for processing raw wood into products Post&Beam. First, top and bottom. The second is cross-cut. The third is a single rib. The fourth is grading finger joint. The fifth, laminating. And the last is molding. Let us go to the manufacturing process. In the first step, in which the raw material has been prepared by either of the selection of materials with quality A and the moisture content suit, and then we get into the planer. The process to determine the quality of the initial raw material wood. The second process is cross-cut. For cutting the appropriate size of the quality of wood, Post&Beam that has been cut to size on request by the client. Post&Beam may include multiple sizes upon request. The third process is the single rib, which makes the size of the width so stable. The fourth process is grading finger joint, which connects the length of wood to be used according to the order. The fifth is laminating process, the process of gluing on some wood of the same size to be used as one. The last process is molding, finishing process to create thick and white timber according to the order. All raw materials for these products have been through the process of checking the moisture content of approximately 12% and grade tight election. As our assurance to test our products, we do another experiment which is called vacuum. We test to check how strong our products could attach. Vacuuming process. Wood that has been cleaned is being cut at the end. And then cut on the line of glue with a depth of 10 mm or 1 cm each sample size, made 3 pieces each size. Vacuum and pressure. The vacuum test is a condition in which analog gauge shows the digits 0 to -100 figures to quit. New counting the clock can start. After the vacuum process has been going on for 5 minutes, vacuum machine was turned off so that the figure in the analog gauge back to 0 again. Further pressure process. Analog gauge must start from 0 up to 600. Just after the calculation process begins, the process is carried for an hour. Of vacuum and pressure is repeated once again. So there are 2 stages in vacuum and pressure. In total time is 2 hours and 10 minutes, with details of per process an hour, 5 minutes in vacuum. After completion of vacuum process, we download the sample in a tank. Then we put it in the oven for the drying process. After drying process is completed, the sample is taken and then do the check-in process. The timber sample is checked one by one to get the best quality of wood. The process of the checks carried out in accordance with standard GLTAA. Our glue laminated products has been certified by Glued Laminated Timber Associations of Australia. Products that has been tested and certified. GL17 post up to 140mm by 140mm. GL17 glue lamp up to 290mm by 45mm. GL17 glue lamp 68mm by 45mm, 65mm by 42mm, and 60mm by 40mm. These products can last for at least 10 years from delivery and will conform to specifications. Be free from defects in materials and workmanship, provided that the products are correctly installed, maintained, and designed with accepted engineering and design standards. We will not be responsible for defects or damage resulting from 1. Misuse or improper installation or application, including without limitation failure to properly field fabricate, failure to use appropriate fasteners, or subjecting products to constant contact with standing water. 2. Any other abuse or misuse of products